This tutorial shows you how to create an inspection submittal from the VuSpex AC Contractor Portal on your phone. I'm going to break down the offline inspection submittal into 3 steps: sign in, create submittal, and submit. First, here's how to sign in to the VuSpex AC Contractor Portal. Alright, let's begin. Starting on your phone, open a mobile web browser such as Safari on iPhone or Chrome on Android. Then go to VuSpex.com. Now, tap on the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap the word Sign In on the menu. The sign-in options expand. Now tap on AC Contractor Portal. Great! You are now at the Contractor Sign-in screen. If you do not have a VuSpex account, tap on this button to create an account now. Let's sign into your VuSpex account. Sign in with the same account credentials used when signing into the VuSpex app. Enter the email address for your VuSpex account, then enter your password for your VuSpex account. When you are finished, tap the button that says Sign In. That's it. Second, here's how to create the submittal. We've signed into the VuSpex AC Contractor Portal and are on the tab for Offline. Now we're going to upload the photos and videos for your offline inspection submittal. But first, this link contains instructions to ensure GPS coordinates are included in your photos. Tap the link to review those instructions at any time. Okay, moving on. Tap the drop-down list to select the appropriate city, county, or state agency, then move to Step 1 to select your permit and inspection. Step 1. Select Permit and Inspection. Enter your permit number in the text field, double-checking to make sure you spelled it correctly. Now tap the button that says Get Inspections. Wait a moment for the inspections to load. Finally, select your inspection from the drop-down list. There may only be one option if you only have one inspection. Step 2. Upload images and videos. A good rule of thumb is to upload between 1 and 8 photos and/or one short video that's around 15-20 seconds. You may need to upload more inspection media. Just keep in mind the inspector will have to review each photo, so only upload necessary photos. Also, it may take significantly longer to upload a large number of photos and videos, and that can lead to issues with failed inspection submittals. What's up with this red text? It says make sure to choose existing photos from your gallery instead of taking one with your camera now. The photos and videos you upload should be located on your phone's camera gallery. The idea is to take photos in advance with GPS enabled on your photos to verify your location. If you take the photo at the time of uploading, it will not contain GPS information, so please take photos in advance. You can also upload video files from your camera gallery. Okay, let's begin by tapping the button that says Choose File. On iOS, a small window pops up with a few options. Select Photo Library. Do not select the other options. This opens your Photos app. Next, select a single photo by tapping on one of the images in your library. I think I'll go with this one. Yeah. If you selected the wrong image, tap the Cancel button to go back and select a different photo. Please do not change the size of your photo or the GPS information may not be included. In this case, leave it as actual size and simply tap the Choose button to proceed. Here I can see a very small image of my water heater photo. Now tap the button that says Upload. Good. You can optionally add comments about your file here. Water heater 1. Then tap OK. You should receive a message like this. When the file is finished uploading, tap OK to proceed. Once your file is uploaded, it will appear in the Submitted Items window. If you made a mistake or changed your mind, tap the button that says Delete to remove the file from being submitted. I'm going to upload another photo and then add a comment. And finally, I'm going to upload a video with a comment too. Record your videos in 720p at 30 frames per second to keep the video files small in size. This will help make sure they upload faster. Large video files recorded at high resolutions may take a very long time to upload depending on your internet connection and is not recommended. VuSpex recommends keeping your video files brief in length. 15 to 30 seconds is ideal for most circumstances. Step 4. You may optionally enter written comments about your inspection submittal here. Third, here's how to submit the offline inspection submittal. When you are finished uploading photos and videos and you are satisfied with your comments, then you are ready to submit your offline inspection for review. First, let's make sure you're in an area with a good internet connection, such as a Wi-Fi network at your home or office. Then tap the button that says Submit. Wait a few moments for the offline inspection to upload. Uploading takes longer if you add more inspection media and can vary depending on your internet speed and connection. Within minutes, you should receive email notification of your submission. The inspector will also receive the submission and can review it immediately. All right, you did it. We showed you how to sign into the Contractor Portal, create the submittal, and submit the offline inspection for review. If you have any questions or need help, go to VuSpex.com/support.